friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. So today I have a small little Hobby Lobby haul for you, but I want to share their jewelry shop stuff is, it's sort of a little bit more chaotic than other things on when it goes on sale. When it does go on sale, it's generally 50% off. However, there's not really a rhyme or reason like the other things you can predict. So right now, their fairy tale and the jewelry shop collections are on sale, and the traditions. So they have other collections like Explorer and different things, and they have some really, really cute little charms. Oh, and also that Happy line is on sale. So they have these really adorable charms. And for me, I like to make my pop sockets and badge reels all different. I don't like any of them to be the same. So I like to pick up different little items. Now, when I can't get my stuff on AliExpress, I like to get it at Hobby Lobby, but it can be really expensive. So I only get it when it's on sale. So I wanted to share with you, so you know what's on sale right now, and then B, you may not know that Hobby Lobby carries all of these cute little beads and charms and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you what I got, and hopefully there is something that you can use. So first, the only thing that I got that wasn't on sale, I needed a little container, and these are the Your Price. So the Your Price stuff is like the absolute lowest price, so they never put it on sale, and this is $2.99. All right, so everything else that I'm going to show you, it was all 50% off. So I will tell you the sale price of it. So the sale price on this would be $2, and there is 5 in a pack. So these are little headbands. They're just plain headbands for DIY. And honestly, you can't get headbands at Dollar Tree for that inexpensive. So I have these. I've got a mold to make some Mickey Mouse ears. So the plan for these are to do some Disney headbands. So that's what these are for. So these little stir spoons, I generally pick these up at AliExpress. However, these are $1.25, or I'm sorry, $1.50 on sale. And there's 10 of them, so that is a good price. This is from the Hello Happy line, and it would be $2.50. I really don't have a plan for it, but it was so cute. I just had to pick it up. So these little Starfish would be $2.50. Now I have a big case of these that I picked up on Amazon for $11.99. However, they don't have any really small ones in there. So I picked this up for the little tiny starfish that are in here. So this is going to be very helpful. Now I picked up this set here. It's 40 cups and 6 sticks. So it would be $3.50. Now I can get these cups at the Dollar Tree. So for 40 cups at the Dollar Tree would cost me about $2.50, and then another $1.25, so like $3.75 for the spoons. However, the spoons would have a few more in there. So, but the difference is the ones at the Dollar Tree are the acrylic that they break, so you can't reuse them. And this is the ones that are plastic that you can squeeze once your epoxy dries, and you can just pull it out and reuse them. So this is about 25 cents less than buying them at the Dollar Tree. However, the Dollar Tree, you would get 5 more spoons, but these ones you can reuse. So the puppy is trying to play with Chloe, so that's the barking. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. You should see her. She is like hopping up and down on her little feet. All right, so this, $3. And this is a mold for keys. And I have a couple things planned for this. I think this will be a really handy little mold, and $3 is a great deal. And because it is thin and clear, I can use it with both UV resin and epoxy. So this little guy here, $2.50, and just a cute little piece that I think will be fun on a project. All right, so these little balls here, there's 24 sets, and so basically it's just a little clear glass ball with a top that goes on it. You put stuff in it. Now, I was gonna pick some of these up from AliExpress, but it was like $5 for 2 of them. So I never got them. I was super excited to see these, and it's a really good deal. So I picked those up. So this is just some little polymer clay hearts, and it would be $2. Just a bunch of different colors, like the little message hearts from like Valentine's Day. But I thought they were cute, so I picked them up. Let me give her something. I'm gonna give her a whimsy alligator and see if she'll stop being so loud. Reese is out with Scott right now, and Raina wants Chloe to play with her, and she doesn't understand that Chloe is an old girl and just doesn't want any part of her. So yeah, so I gave her though a little whimsies, and she's happy. All right, so these little guys here. So this is, it's like these little wire balls, and you can put like, you know, little beads or different little things in there. And these are really cute. So I had something in mind I wanted to use them for, but again, on AliExpress, they were more expensive than I thought they were worth. So, but these were $2 for how many? 10 of them. So that's a good deal. So this little bottle, $2, and it's just a little glass bottle, but it's the little cap on it that I thought was so sweet. So I picked that up. Now this is just some little polymer clay envelope pieces, but it's an envelope with a little heart, $2. I thought they were adorable, so I picked them up. Okay, so this is nickel-free, 4 pieces, and it is a little bracelet set with the clasps on them for DIY bracelets, and I picked them up. I thought I'd be able to use them, and they were $2.50. So this is some polymer clay cards, $2, and I got these for 2 projects. I'm doing a Vegas one for a friend, and then also I thought I could use these for my Alice in Wonderland ones, so that's cute. So these little bracelets here, I got them in silver and gold, $2.50, so $1.25 a piece, and they are just these little wire bracelets, but they've got the piece here that you could either put something on or you can engrave, so that's really cute. So these little tags here, $2, there's 12 of them, and they're just these little tags to engrave. I am going to be using these to make stethoscope tags. Now another piece to engrave. So there are 7 pieces in here. $2, and I just thought those were really cute. So, all right, so this is from the Hello Happy line, and $3. There are 5 little charms on here, and they are so cute. So these are little adventure travel charms. And also from the Hello Happy, $2. I just thought that was really pretty. And then this would be $2.50, and they're just little Saturns, but I have a plan for these, and I actually was looking for something like this, so this was perfect. And then this is also from the Hello Happy, so $2.50, and it was just so pretty I couldn't pass it up. And these are the little, oh my gosh, I'm having a brain fart. What do you call them? Carabiners. Thank you. So these are just little carabiners in hearts, and I have a plan for these for a project. And these would be $2 for each pack. I thought that was a pretty good price. So this little book I've picked up before and used it, and I just think it's so cute. It's $2.50. So I picked it up again for another project, and I just really love it. And it does actually open, and you can actually write on it. So these also from the fairy tale. So this one, another little book, and then the little bottle with like the little map inside. So, but this is Treasure Island, and I thought that was so cute. So it would be $3, super cute. And then this last one, so these are just some Bigfoot charms, but I thought they were adorable. $2, so $1 per charm, and I have a plan for these. So super cute. Anyway, so that's everything that I picked up. I hope that it was helpful. Maybe you saw something that you liked, or maybe you just like watching and seeing what people pick up. The Explorer series that they have there is so cute too. They have like, oh my gosh, so many cute things. But again, I need to wait until they're on sale, because otherwise it's just really overly expensive. So listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day. I hope you have an amazing Easter, and I hope that you get to spend lots of time with your family and friends this weekend. I will be at work, but I will be thinking about you guys, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye, friends.